All right, this is the Mass and Change Lab, mini lab number 2, stretching the steel wool. So I have here a little evaporating dish with a little ball of steel wool in it. This is no different than the steel wool you would get at the hardware store. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna set this on here. We have the scale zeroed. I'm gonna set the evaporating dish on there. And you can notice, now I'm going to add the steel wool to it. And I want you to notice that the mass doesn't change very much. It's a very small mass. We have about a little bit over a gram of mass of steel wool. Now I'm going to change the volume of this steel wool by taking it and stretching it out. Now I'm going to hold it right here over the scale very carefully, because what you might not be able to see real well from the video is that there are little bits of steel wool that are falling out as I do this. And I want to make sure that all of those little bits stay in the evaporating dish. I'm interested in, when I change the volume of this steel wool, does the mass change? So if the volume changes and the mass were to change, but that's because I dropped the little pieces on the floor or on the table, that would be not good. That would not help me understand how mass is changing when I change the volume. I want to include all of the original mass. So there we go. It's getting a lot bigger here. We want it to just get really big here. As big as we can. All right, and now I'm going to set this back down inside. And there is the ending mass, 38.34 grams.